Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining us today. We're excited to dive into a fascinating and important topic, baby gender identification. Baby gender identification refers to the various methods used to determine the sex of an unborn baby, which is a significant aspect for many expectant parents as they prepare for their new arrival. Traditionally, this has been done through natural means, primarily through ultrasounds, a non-invasive imaging technique that allows healthcare professionals to visualize the developing fetus. Typically, this can be done around the 18 to 20 week mark of pregnancy, when the baby's genitalia may be distinguishable. In addition to ultrasounds, there are a few other natural indicators expectant parents sometimes consider, such as the mother's physical symptoms or even cultural beliefs surrounding pregnancy. However, it's important to note that these methods are not scientifically reliable compared to medical imaging techniques. As we explore this topic further, we'll look into the various methods of gender identification, their accuracy, and the implications of knowing a baby's gender during pregnancy. Let's get started. Baby gender identification can be done through various methods, both medically accurate and non-scientific. Here are the common ways. Here's a detailed overview of the methods for baby gender identification. Medically accurate methods. 1. Ultrasound, sonography. How it works. Uses high-frequency sound waves to create images of the baby in the womb. The genital area is examined to determine gender. When, around 18 to 22 weeks of pregnancy. Accuracy, 90 to 95% when done by a skilled technician, but it can be less accurate if the baby's position obscures the view. Risks, completely safe for both mother and baby. 2. Non-invasive prenatal testing, NIPT. How it works. A blood sample is taken from the mother to analyze fragments of fetal DNA in her bloodstream. It screens for chromosomal abnormalities and can determine gender. When, as early as 9 to 10 weeks. Accuracy, 98 to 99%. Risks, no physical risks since it's a blood test. 3. Chorionic villus sampling, CVS. How it works. A small sample of placental tissue, chorionic villi, is collected via a thin tube inserted through the cervix or abdomen. Chromosomal analysis reveals the gender. When, between 10 to 13 weeks. Accuracy, 99%. Risks, slight risk of miscarriage, 0.2 to 1%. 4. Amniocentesis. How it works. A small amount of amniotic fluid is extracted from the womb using a thin needle. This fluid contains fetal cells that can reveal gender and genetic health. When, between 15 to 20 weeks. Accuracy, over 99%. Risks, slight risk of miscarriage, about 0.1 to 0.3%. 5. Pre-implantation genetic testing, PGT. How it works. Performed during IVF, cells from embryos are analyzed for chromosomal abnormalities and gender before implantation. When, before pregnancy, embryo stage. Accuracy, 99%. Risks, none during testing, but IVF can carry general risks like ovarian hyperstimulation. Non-scientific or cultural methods. 1. Old wives' tales. Examples. Baby's heartbeat, faster, above 140 BPM, is said to indicate a girl, slower for a boy. Belly shape, round suggests a girl, pointed suggests a boy. Food cravings, sweet for girls, salty for boys. Accuracy, coin toss, 50%. 2. Chinese gender chart. How it works. Based on the mother's age at conception and the month of conception, this traditional method predicts gender. Accuracy, around 50%, no scientific basis. 3. Gender prediction kits. How it works. At-home kits use the mother's urine to detect hormones said to correlate with fetal gender. When, around 10 weeks or later. Accuracy, varies greatly, typically unreliable. Legal and ethical considerations. In some countries, revealing a baby's gender is restricted or banned due to concerns over gender-based abortions and discrimination. Always ensure gender identification is conducted for appropriate reasons and aligns with local laws. Yes, besides ultrasound, NIPT, and amniocentesis, there are additional methods for determining a baby's gender, though some are less commonly used or have specific purposes. Here's a detailed list. Medically accurate methods. 1. Chorionic villus sampling, CVS. Details: a diagnostic test done between 10 to 13 weeks of pregnancy. It analyzes a sample of placental tissue to determine chromosomal makeup, including gender. Purpose: typically used for genetic screening but also identifies gender. 2. Pre-implantation genetic testing, PGT. Details: performed during IVF, cells from embryos are analyzed before implantation for chromosomal abnormalities and gender. Purpose: mainly for couples undergoing fertility treatment. 3. Cell-free DNA testing, different from NIPT. Details: some advanced versions of non-invasive tests specifically look at fetal DNA from maternal blood to confirm gender and other genetic details. Emerging or specialized techniques. 1. Fetal DNA testing in maternal plasma. Details: like NIPT, but focuses on gender-specific DNA sequences, e.g., Y chromosomes, in the mother's blood. Accuracy: highly accurate as early as 7 to 9 weeks. Purpose: typically used in research or advanced clinics. 2. Fetal MRI, magnetic resonance imaging. Details: used in rare cases to get a detailed view of the fetus when ultrasound isn't conclusive or accessible. Gender identification is possible but not its primary purpose. Limitations: high cost and not commonly used for gender determination alone. 3. 3D and 4D ultrasounds. Details: enhanced versions of traditional ultrasound that provide clearer, more detailed images of the baby, making gender identification easier. When, typically used after 18 weeks. Purpose: mainly for visual clarity of the baby's features. Less common or experimental. 1. Urine and hormone tests. Details: some research is exploring hormonal markers in maternal urine that may indicate gender, but these are not widely used or proven. 2. Ramsay method, theory. Details: this unproven method claims the position of the placenta in early ultrasounds, 6 to 8 weeks, can indicate gender, right for boys, left for girls. Accuracy: no scientific evidence, considered anecdotal. Absolutely. There are plenty of fun, non-scientific ways to predict a baby's gender that many people enjoy trying. While these methods are purely for entertainment and not accurate, they can be a delightful way to guess and build excitement. Here are some popular ones. Old wives' tales. 1. Belly shape. Carrying low and out front? It's a boy. Carrying high and wide? It's a girl. 2. Heart rate. If the baby's heart rate is above 140 bpm, it's said to be a girl. Below 140 bpm? A boy. 3. Cravings. Sweet cravings, chocolates, fruits, suggest a girl. Salty or savory cravings, chips, meat, suggest a boy. 4. Morning sickness. Severe morning sickness? It's a girl. Mild or no morning sickness? It's a boy. Cultural and traditional methods. 1. Chinese gender chart. Based on the mother's age at conception and the month of conception. Said to have been used for centuries, but accuracy is about 50%. 2. Mayan calendar. Combines the mother's age at conception and the year of conception. Both odd numbers equals girl, one odd and one even equals boy. 3. String and ring test. Dangle a wedding ring on a string over your belly. If it swings in circles, it's a girl. If it swings back and forth, it's a boy. 4. Key test. Ask the mother to pick up a key. If she grabs it by the round end, it's a boy. If she grabs it by the narrow end, it's a girl. Physical signs. 1. Skin changes. Glowing and clear skin. It's a boy. Acne and dull skin. It's a girl. The girl steals your beauty myth. 2. Hair texture. Thick and shiny hair. A boy. Thin and limp hair. A girl. 3. Cold feet. Constantly cold feet. A boy. Normal temperature. A girl. 4. Linea nigra, dark line on belly. If the line extends above your belly button, it's a boy. If it stops below your belly button, it's a girl. Partners changes. 1. Partner's weight gain. If your partner gains weight during the pregnancy, it's a girl. If not, it's a boy. Fun tests. 1. Baking soda test. Add a tablespoon of baking soda to a cup of your urine. If it fizzes, it's a boy. If nothing happens, it's a girl. 2. Cabbage test. Boil red cabbage and mix the water with urine. If the water turns pink, it's a girl. If it turns purple, it's a boy. These methods are purely for fun and have no scientific basis, but they can make the waiting period more exciting. Let me know if you want to try any of these in more detail. In this video, we explored the fascinating world of baby gender identification. We discussed various methods people use, such as ultrasounds, blood tests, and even old wives' tales. We also touched on the emotional journey many parents experience as they await the news of their baby's gender. We encourage you to share your own stories and experiences with baby gender identification in the comments below. How did you find out? Did it match your expectations? If you enjoyed this video and want more content like this, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us bring you more exciting topics. Thanks for watching.